Welcome to DocuBills, your ultimate solution for seamless invoice management. Let's start with the dashboard. Here you can get a quick overview of your total revenue, total deficit, paid invoices. To create a new invoice, simply click on Create Invoice from the sidebar. Start by entering the Bill To information, including the company name, contact person, address, and email. Next, choose your data source. You can either link a Google Sheet or simply upload an Excel file. Just drag and drop your file and you're ready to proceed. Now, let's configure the pricing. You can choose automatic pricing to pull data directly from your uploaded file. Select the specific columns you want to include, such as description of goods, unit price, and subtotal. You can also customize the columns to include details like country of origin or HS code. Finally, select your preferred invoice currency from the drop-down menu. Above your invoice table, you will see a section labeled Columns to Include. Check/uncheck for visibility. Check a box to make that specific column, for example, country of origin, number of packages. Before finalizing, take a look at the invoice preview. Here, you can see all your line items neatly organized. You can toggle taxable options, add or remove line items, and even adjust the tax percentages like GST or service tax. This ensures every detail is accurate before the invoice reaches your client. Accuracy is key, so make sure to set the correct invoice date and due date. DocuBills also allows you to set up automated reminders. You can choose a predefined rule like on due date or 3 days after due date and link it to a specific email template. This way you never have to manual follow up on payments again. Almost done. Fill in your banking details so your clients know exactly where to send the payment. Enter the account holder name, bank name, account number, and IBAN. Once everything looks perfect, hit Save Invoice. Your professional invoice is now generated and ready to be sent. Your client will receive a professional email with a link to view the invoice. Once they make the payment, you can easily track it in the Invoice Management section. Simply find the invoice, click on Mark as Paid, select the payment method, and upload proof if needed. The status instantly updates to Paid, keeping your records clean and organized. Managing finances has never been this easy. Simplify your billing process today with DocuBills. Thank you.